Welcome to the second module on data flows. In this module, we'll be transforming the hospital admissions data that we ingested into our data lake from ECDC. Like the last module, we'll be using data flows to transform this file. This module has 14 lessons. We'll start with understanding our requirements for transforming the hospital admissions file. Then we'll create a data flow to transform this file. The data flow will include some of the transformations we learned in the last module, such as source transformations, select, lookup, pivot, and sync transformations. You can use this opportunity to reinforce your learning. I would recommend you to do them as assignments. I've also done lessons on these just in case you get stuck in your assignments. We'll then learn more new transformations, such as conditional split, derived column, aggregate, sort, and join transformations. We'll then create a pipeline to execute this data flow. And finally, I've also provided some useful links to help you with any further learning. So let's start with understanding our requirement for transforming the hospital admissions file.